Hey everybody, welcome here to Musicians Edition. We're getting into the holiday spirit here at Musicians Edition as we've crossed into December. So we're going to be looking at Mistletoe by Justin Bieber on the acoustic. So Mistletoe becoming a classic, we're going to look at how you can finger pick and be able to play through this whole song really easily, just knowing 4 chords and just very slight variations for how they're going to be played. But super easy, entry level, anybody can play this. We're going to do finger picking to practice those skills, and because I think it sounds nice and softer if you are going to be singing this for someone, you know, could be a good vibe. So let's go ahead and look at it. This is going to be the full playthrough. So that is just 4 chords, and 4 chords is what we're going to be using this entire time. So let's look at the breakdown of those chords. We're going to be playing an A major. That's going to be for 1 full bar. We're going to be playing an E major, 1 full bar. Then we're going to play an F sharp minor for 1.5 bars. That's going to get finished on that last bar with a D major. So the full structure is going to have 1 full bar for A major like this. And then we switch to E major, go up to that F sharp minor. That'd be 1 full bar. We're going to get it carried out for the next half of this one. So 2 more plucks, and then we go up to D major. And that's the main loop to this. Very slight variations we'll look at to be able to play through the whole song, but that's the main loop we're going to look at first.
This lesson is brought to you by the Musicians Edition practice book. Make goals and keep track of progress throughout the whole year. When you're done with this video lesson, don't forget to mark this practice time in your Musicians Edition practice book. Now back to the video.
So, the notes for that A major, all these are going to have a root note we strum on the first beat of the chord. So for A major, that is the open A. So my thumb's going to do that, and I'm going to finger pick the top 4 strings of the rest of this chord. So that is going to be 2, 2, and 2, the regular A major shape there. So 1 finger here on each of those, 2, 2, 2. Low A is open, and then 2, 2, 2, and then high E open. That's our A major shape. So I'm going to do low A strum just on the first beat, and the rest of that, just my fingers plucking. Okay? And that's our first bar already just with the A major. That same thing is going to get repeated through each of these chords. So one more time, A major. Okay? Work on that pattern. That's our strumming pattern the entire time. Then we're going to shift our fingers to this E major pattern. For E major, our thumb is now going to move to low E for the root note. So instead of low A, down to low E. And our fingers, instead of 2, 2, 2, are going to shift to 2 and 1. You can see it on the tab there. So we're going to skip over the A string. We're not going to play that one at all. But we're going to fret right here on the 2nd fret of the D string and the 1st fret of that string above it there. So I'm using my middle and my index fingers to fret on those. My strumming hand is going to stay on the top 4 strings with just the thumb moving to low E. Here it is. Okay, that's our E now. One more time. Low E strummed, and then just top 4 strings. Okay, so all together here we now have A to E. Half of our progression done. Our 3rd chord, we are going to slide up to F sharp minor. For this one, you are going to have to bar it on the 2nd fret. We're going to do a bar chord on the 2nd fret, and then I need 1 finger to go up to the 4th fret of the D string right there. So I'm going to bar with my index finger. I can use the middle finger to support it, and then pinky or ring finger stretching to the 4th fret of the D string there to play out this F sharp minor chord. And then I'm going to do my low strum on the E string, which is that 2nd fret there for F sharp, and then top 4 strings again. And so those top 4 strings should be 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. One more time. Okay, and this one's gonna go through the second half of the fourth bar. So we're really gonna do low strum and then 6 plucks. And then our final chord, we're gonna go quickly up to D major. We do an open strum of the D string to start it off. And then we need to get into 2, 3, 2, the regular D major shape. Right there. Low D, and then 2, 3, 2 up top. 2 plucks of that to finish off the final bar there. So all together here from that F sharp minor. And then we'd loop it back to our first chord again. So that's a kind of quick change you got to be able to make. You can strum that low D openly, so you don't have to have your fingers pressed to just strum that low D openly the first hit of it. But by the first time you pluck, you do got to have those fingers pressed. So work on that transition. Here it is one more time. Okay, and that's going to finish it out for us. So let's look at our full progression here now. If you're stuck on any one of those parts, any parts of those chords, practice it. We're going to do a full playthrough here. Okay, so let's go into this. Starting on A major, going to E major, going to F sharp minor, and finishing on D major. Let's do our playthrough of this. This is our main progression that we'll look at the slight tweaks to afterwards that will be in the song. So A major first, 1, 2, ready, go. There it is. So keep practicing that until you can keep it up. Start slow if you need to and work up. You just want to have a nice consistent tempo that you can work on getting quicker and quicker to up to the full speed of the song. So that is our main loop. Again, here's your chords all together here. A major, E major, F sharp minor, and D major. Go ahead and practice that as much as you need to. Let's look at how we can play through the full song using this loop now. So as I said, the verse is going to do this loop twice, and then the chorus is going to do it once, and then we just rinse and repeat for the rest of the song. There is a bridge to this song that also just plays this main progression anyway, so we don't really need to know a change up for the bridge. So verse 1 and chorus will carry you through to the rest of the song. So for the verses, we're going to play just the first run through of the progression is exactly what we just did there. You can see that written out here. So this is the strumming pattern with the notes played that we just did. That is the first 4 bars of the verse. On the second repeat, very slight change on the end, and you can see what that looks like here. What this is showing on the very last bar is that after we do our 2 extra plucks of that F sharp minor, we just do 1 solid strum of the D major, and that's the end of the verse leading us into the chorus. So instead of finishing on this, we were just going to do 1 hit of it and then get ready to come on back to start it again for the chorus. So that's our first change right there that you can see. And then our other change is going to be on the chorus. On the chorus, we're just going to play A, E major, F sharp minor to D straight up, 1 going on each bar. You can see how that looks here on the chorus. So from F sharp minor, then we'd give D its own full bar here too. Okay, so that's the change in the chorus. So these 3 sections we can piece together and just copy paste the entire time. The same exact chord progression for each of these, just that slight change up on each of them. So this is the full song we're going to look at with first verse and then into the chorus. So we're going to go ahead and play through all of that one time here to help you out with this one. All right, so first time I'll go ahead and talk through this one as we play it. So we are going to do A major, starting off, of course, our progression. Go to E major, F sharp minor, up to D major, and back on our loop again, second one on the verse. And now just our 1 solid hit of D major And now we're leading into the chorus. Here it is again. And our change for the chorus is D major gets its own bar. And that's it. Now we would just go back to the verse and play the same exact thing we already did. 2 loops through on the verse, 1 loop through on the chorus, and that's our entire song. Just 4 chords. Very nice. So let's do one playthrough, just kind of all time together here that you can follow along to. We'll do a little bit slower than the actual song, then you can work your way up. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. There it is. So that is Mistletoe by Justin Bieber. Hope you have fun playing along to that one this holiday season. Have fun playing, and we will see you next time.